got a girl back home. You got a man, what you want? What you want? What these bitches want from a nigga? Want some DMX shit. I know them other niggas love tricking on some BMX shit, but not me. Now I'm sure you done heard about me. A Black Star, Mos Def, Kweli. Good, so them bad hoes try me. They try me. This is Martin Luther King in the club. Getting